How to buy Tectonic Crypto. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to buy Tectonic Crypto step by step. So Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield. It is powered by Cronos network, so before you can buy Tectonic Crypto and do anything with it, you need to add Cronos network to your Metamask wallet. I've already done this step, so I have Cronos mainnet here on my Metamask wallet. I have another tutorial how to do this. You will see a little eye icon. Right now, you can click on it and check my another video how to add Cronos network to the Metamask and also how to bridge assets to the Cronos network. In my case, I bridged 11.5 USDC from Binance Smart Chain to Cronos network, and on the step 3 you need to also send some CRO tokens to pay for transaction fees. I also have another tutorial how to do this. You can click on the eye icon again to see this tutorial as well, and also you can check on the description to see the links to those videos. So as soon as you have Cronos network added to the Metamask, you have some assets to buy Tectonic Crypto like USDC, and you have CRO tokens to pay for transaction fees. You can go to the tectonic.finance and click on the enter app. Now click on the connect wallet, choose Metamask. I am on Cronos network already, as you remember. I switched to it before. Here it is. And now there is a buy button here. You can click here and you will be redirected to the site called VVS.finance. Again, here you need to connect your wallet, choose Metamask. It's built also on the Cronos network, so here as well, to do any swap, you need to have Cronos network added to the Metamask and some assets here. For example, in my case, I will swap my USDC that I have on my wallet. I will swap max amount and I will receive tonic. So in my case, the pair is USDC tonic. Now I click on enable USDC. It's the first time I use it, so I need to enable it first. So let's give permission to access your USDC by clicking confirm. Yeah, and now I can swap. Let's click on confirm swap. Approve here on the Metamask as well. As you can see, I need 0.9 CRO tokens to pay for the transaction. Let's confirm and close. Okay, transaction confirmed. I can see it on Cronos scan, but I don't need it right now. There is also an option to add tonic to Metamask, which is quite useful. Let's click here to add this token so we can see it. As you can see, it's already showing my balance. Click on add token and that's it, I believe. Let's click on assets and I already have my tonic token on the Metamask wallet. I hope this tutorial helped you to buy tonic token, but stay tuned. On the next video that you can see on the screen right now, you can watch another tutorial on how to stake tonic crypto. Click on it and see you there.